Hey guys, this is Yogesh from Automotive Technica, and today I'm just unboxing the Hypersonic high-end audio system, which is for Mahindra Scorpio. This can be used for a low-end system as well as for a high-end Scorpio as well. So from the basic to the high-end, and I will show you how it changes. So this is the system. And if you see here, the panel changes from uh, the entry level Scorpio to the high level Scorpio. That means only the heat, ventilation and cooling section panel is different. So uh, this is a heavy green series from Hypersonic, and I will be doing a complete review on the interface after fitting this system on the vehicle. So I'll just show you some of uh, the accessories which I have been sent. So it comes with two panels. This is for the basic Scorpio and the high-end Scorpio. So these are the audio cables, and this is a dual USB, and this is for the audio out in as well as the video signal. So these are the power connectors, and if you want to connect to the direct speakers, this will be useful. And here is the extra mic for Bluetooth video calling and audio calling. And this is the GPS antenna, and the small one is the Wi-Fi antenna. And that's all in the box, and I'll show you more in depth in the review of this video system once it is on the vehicle. So one is the Wi-Fi antenna goes here, the GPS and the other connectors. So these two are for USB. This is the power and the direct audio output, and there is one fuse. The panel, if it is a high-end Scorpio, it goes here. You have to push it from back and fasten with 4 screws. And for the low-end Scorpio, the entry level for S2 S4 series, and now it is like starting with S3 and all. So this is the panel. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on Android system.